The goal of every trader is to become profitable, and this is the quest of every trader. And because of this, many traders have gone a different way trying to find a proven strategy which can help in improving their trading experience in order for them to arrive at their dream and desire of becoming a profitable trade. I am Soji and you are welcome to Soji FOREX. In this video, I'll be sharing an idea with you that if you will practice this consistently for a period of 3 months, you will become profitable. All you need to do is consistency, and consistency, they said, is key to mastery. So when you practice this strategy carefully, you will become profitable within a space of 3 months. And let's dive into this. Looking at our chart, you will observe that market has been on a downtrend from this zone, and it has been making a series of lower low and a lower high. So you are busy attempting and see where you can go long. And if you look at this particular zone here we are now on our TDI indicator, you realize that the TDI is piercing outside of the Bollinger Band, giving us a shark fin pattern. I remember in our previous video we said it is not an overbought zone. So when we see this, it passes a signal on to us, and by the virtue of that signal, we want to see our divergence. And at this point, a divergence has been established. So at this zone, we have a divergence. And what we are trying to say in essence is that at this particular zone, we now have our indicator making a higher low and a higher low. And looking at our main chart, we can establish that our main chart is giving us a lower low, which is here and here. Lower low and lower low. So we now know that with this our divergence, market is about to move to the upside. So we quickly pick up our line and mark out this our previous high, which we now connect this way. So having done this, look at what happened. Price break out of this zone. Price now break out of this our trend line, as we have already discussed from our previous video, and followed by this engulfing candle. Then we have a follow-up candle here. You can enter your buy trade here, and this went up, came back down, gave us another confirmation, which is a pin bar. So by the aid of this pin bar, we make our buy entry, and after this we will now pick up our trend line and roll our trend line. The trend line is this line you are seeing here now. Remember, even when we wrote this line, we don't have a second point to connect the trend line yet. Then price went up, came back down and bounced again on our trend line, gave us an engulfing candle, though we are still in an entry here, but our stop loss has not taken us out. So give us this particular engulfing candle. We now connect our trend line to these two bottoms, and you can see that move massively to the upside. So when this first move happens to this upside, we were already in this first trade here. So this is number one, and we want to see the second move. So what do we do next? The next move, we will now pick two. We'll pick up and fib this our low. Okay, now we fib this our range from this low to this particular high. And what happened here is that price pull back. Okay, you can see now. Then price begin to pull back. Now this is our trend line, which we have connect from these two low here and this. Then price pull back into this our trend line and give us evening star formation on 88.5 of the trend line and a follow-up candle of this particular engulfing candle. That is confirmation number one. This, it gave us this. So we have three confirmation here. First, 88.5 level of our trend line. Second, evening star formation followed by an engulfing candle. That's our second confirmation. Number three, it is happening on a trend line. That is number three. Then number four, confirmation. So we have a lot of confluence particular trade. Number four confirmation is that we have a shark fin pattern. Our price line went out of the Bollinger Band and curved back inside. Remember, in this case, we are not trading overbought or oversold because already the trend has changed. And we already know the trend we are inside. So we've used this divergence to change the direction of the market. And we now move. You see how we went here and we end up in profit. Then, this has been established. We now have another entry. We've hit our take profit in that zone. So we are waiting for price again to make another move. So price went up here, and at this time we now mark our fib in our new level, our new low, and to this new high. And again, price pull back, another double confirmation to the level of our moving average 61.8, and at the same time on our trend line. Okay, then gave us a hammer and a follow-up candle of engulfing. And when you look at our indicator window, you see that we also have a shark fin. So we have four confluence that confirm the movement of this price. Okay, so and this give us this move to this upside. And now This now is what bets this particular one. So next we want to fib this level. And here we have this. And here look at what happened. Price moved now, gave us this high. Now it pulled back to 38.2 of our Fibonacci level. And it gave us now a pin bar, a follow-up candle. We have these two tweezer top candle here, and if you look at our indicator window, you will realize that we have a shark fin, and these indicators happen on EMA 50, which is our confluence, and we are up to this upside. And look at here again, we have this pullback to EMA 50, which gave us this hammer, this follow-up candle, and we have this move to this upside. And look at the shark fin pattern from our TDI indicator. This pulls back again to our middle Bollinger Band, gave us this beautiful pullback, gave us a hammer, gave us a follow-up candle, and then gave us a shark fin. So we have these three confirmation: our middle Bollinger Band, our shark fin, right, candlestick pattern, a hammer followed by a follow-up candle, and we are still in an uptrend based on our trend line. And this is how we trade this. Up to here we take our profit. So this method is pretty much simple that you can take advantage on and become very successful in your trading experience. So you can see the combination of all these principles, and you can see how it aids our trading journey, aid our profitability, and it's a whole lot making our work easy for us. So this is how to go about this. We got our divergence here, and then from this particular pin bar we have our entry. When this happens, we connect our trend line, we put our fib, we fib here to here, which is our range, and then when price pulls back for our second entry, already we have TP here, price pulls back here, we follow this candlestick pattern, and then we make our second entry to this zone with TP there, and this cross between the moving middle Bollinger Band and our EMA 50 also confirm that we are now in an uptrend. So you repeat this procedure over and over again, and then you see how profitable it will become. I believe you are getting value from this video. Please do not forget to like, to share, and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to get notified whenever we publish our next video. See you in the subsequent video. Cheers.